Hi, we're going to look today at what it takes to put a PDF inside a Joomla website so that you see it inside the site, not just merely as a link to download. So go ahead, go to the administrator for your website, for your Joomla website. In my case, that's mine. Put in your username and password and click in Login. Right, so we're inside our place and we want to go to the article manager. Having gone to the article manager, we want to create a new article. We give the article a title. We don't put anything inside the alias, we'll let Joomla take care of that. We choose a category that we want this to go in. We go down, and we do have to put something in here, so we can start with, we're going to say later on who it was by. And we go save. So that article has now been created. Now we want to put the guts of everything in. So we're going to have a portion of it that is an introduction, and we will have a couple of links in here. We need now the read more, because the actual article is going to be after the read more. So there's our read more. Whoop! Almost lost it. And we have a download here, and the article or the PDF is actually going to appear in here. So in here we want to put an iframe. So there's our iframe symbol. We've got our mouse cursor flashing down there. We click on iframe. It wants to know where the PDF is. So let's go up and go to our Google Docs. I go into Drive. I go into where our website information is. This is under Natural Farm, and it's under Korean Natural Farm, and there is the document there. Now, a little sneak thing we can do is, instead of having to individually make public every PDF we put in here, we can instead go down here, right click this, go to share, and go to sharing, go to change, public to the world. That means that any PDF or anything actually we put into that folder will be available for straight away putting into a website without individually having to share the item. So we go save, and we go done. So if my theory is right, here is the article. I can just right click that, go to sharing. Oh, I think I missed that. Go to share, go to sharing. Boy, being real touchy. See, even I have bad days. Share. Now let's just check it. It says, indeed, public on the web. Anyone on the internet can find and view. So let's grab the whole thing. Actually, we don't want the whole thing. We just want that. We don't want the edit because, of course, we're not going to be editing it. We can go done. Now let's go back to Science Tech Kona. We can put that in there. Now, what we do want is we want this to be a preview. So we put /preview on it. So we make it so that it is 100% of the width, and we make it so it is 1,000 pixels long. Get rid of the proportional, go back to percentage, make that 100. Don't know why it decided to jump around on me. So 100% wide, 1,000 pixels deep. Looking good. And we insert. And it is now here. Let's go ahead and save it. So I've added a bit of information at the front of it. I've got this little thing where I like to always reference back to where I got something from. I like to give full citation so that people know that they can go somewhere else where the original is and where there might be more things that they might want to look at. So I've highlighted download original from here. I got my little chain. I've already got in my clipboard where I got it from. I want to set this to open in a new window, and I want to insert. And now we have it there. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm also going to give it the ability to be downloaded off our repository. If for any reason in the future this location no longer has it, I want people to have the ability to come and to get it. So we've highlighted download here, go back to the chain, pop it in. Again we say open in a new window. Notice this time I don't put the /preview on here because we're not asking them to preview, we want them to be able to see just the PDF online. So again, insert, back up to the top, save. So now let's go to our website. What we've got is our resource section. Under resources we've got the article we just did. I might add a picture in as well. I'll try and format this a little bit better so there's not all this wasted space. So here's the article. And for the sake of the window, you can't really see the whole thing. I'll move it around a bit so you can see. So on the website, this is what it looks like. You can see the whole article. You can move around inside the article. You can go to another page. And everything is simply available for you. Equally, you can go and you can click on download here. Opens up a new window. And here is the PDF again. And this time you've got the ability to print. Oops, sorry about that. Come on. You've got the ability to print, and you've got the ability to download. I hope that's helpful. I'll most likely be making some other videos on how to better integrate things into your Joomla website. Bye for now.